Hello and welcome back to Wise First. In this video, we are going to dive into the world of AI art platforms and compare two of the most talked about platforms, Midjourney and Leonardo AI. Recently, there's been a lot of buzz around Leonardo AI being a potential Midjourney killer. So we decided to put it to the test with a head-to-head comparison. But before we get into that, let's take a closer look at Leonardo AI and its unique features. As soon as you sign up for an account at Leonardo AI, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly web-based homepage that showcases featured models and a community feed of recent creations. Compared to Midjourney, which is Discord-based, Leonardo AI provides a range of pre-trained models including Deliberate 1.1, Vintage Photography, Luna, Lean on a Creative, and Paper Art style, which we will be featuring in our head-to-head comparison shortly. One of the most fascinating features of Leonardo AI is the ability to create custom datasets and models by uploading your photos. With around 5 to 10 images in a similar style, you can train Leonardo to generate images based on your prompts. You can also check out other people's models and see the images created with those models. In the free version of Leonardo AI, you are limited to the number of tokens you have per day, which starts at around 250. But you can still generate amazing imagery by selecting the number of images you want to create, the image dimensions, the guidance scale step count, tiling, and uploading an image. Another feature that sets Leonardo AI apart is the prompt generation feature, which generates prompt ideas based on a word. You can generate around 1,000 prompts per month, making it an excellent way to jumpstart your creativity. Lastly, the canvas feature is something that really sets Leonardo AI apart from other AI art platforms. It allows you to paint on the platform, something that Midjourney lacks. Let's dive into some head-to-head comparisons of both AI art generators, Leonardo and Midjourney. Our first prompt was a simple one, a fork in the road ahead, flowers all around. Leonardo gave us a decent rendition of the prompt, but Midjourney took the cake with an artistic version of the flowers and the road. Moving on, we asked both generators to create a Chinese-style ink and pencil on white to draw an authentic minimalistic Chinese landscape. While both AI generators came up with some great alternate versions, Midjourney's overall design and color scheme proved to be more intricate and aesthetically pleasing. For the next prompt, we asked for a photorealistic 8-story event center with the words Ambassador on the building. Surrounded by palm trees hosting an event, Leonardo's attempt was a bit of a mess, but Midjourney nailed the look of the building, even though it included a swimming pool in front of the building. Next up, we wanted to see if Leonardo could imitate a photorealistic style. So we asked for a very rich Batman in his office, clear and very detailed colors, photorealistic. While both AI generators had some success with the prompt, Midjourney's images were clearly more in photorealistic style. Overall, both AI generators showed impressive results, but Midjourney seemed to have the edge in terms of aesthetics and attention to detail. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.